What's going on, guys? Trey 17 cards back with another video. This time we got the Topps Chrome Platinum baseball cards here for 2025. They just released today, so I picked them up, and yeah, let's get into it. I don't know too much of what's good or what to look for in here. Let's see. They're inspired by the classic Topps 1955 design. We got 4 cards per pack, 8 packs per box. Yeah, let's hope to hit a special insert here. And let's see here. Dump that. Okay. Let's just go in order, I suppose. I heard you can get some decent numbers. These are just retail, so you can get some decent numbered cards here. Got Michael Toglia, Jazz Chisholm, Bob Gibson, and a Paul Molitor. Let's see. We have Brandon Lowe. Actually, funny story, one of my friends is related to him, so that's pretty cool. Ooh, Tyler Glasnow. That is a nice looking card there. That is, yeah, nice card. We have a Ron. We have Ron there. Let's go. And ooh, another nice card, Alec Burleson. Nice shine to it. Yeah, always let me know if I miss anything. Let's see, we have lefty Tyler Phillips, rookie card. Another Tyler Glasnow. Let's see, we have Bryson Stott, sorry. And we have Freddie Freeman, Michael Harris II, Lou Brock. It's a nice insert, I think. Or, nice card. We have a Kobe Mayo, rookie card. We're also looking for Dylan Cruz. One of my friends goes to LSU, so it'd be a nice card to pull. Jose Barrios, Aaron Nola, Cam Smith. Ooh, that's a nice looking card. Out of 99. 97 out of 99. Rookie card. That's it. That's a really nice card. Going to put that in a sleeve. Oops. See me struggle here. There we go. But yeah, out of 99, Cam Smith. And that last one was a Don Drysdale. A couple more packs here. With a Ryan Sandberg, CZ Sabathia. Nice looking card there. Adolis Garcia. And a Prince Fielder. There you go. Let's see. A couple more packs. Have a Carlos Santana. Chris Sale. Liked it when he was on the Sox. Great player, though. Another CC Sabathia. And a Hurston Waldrop. So that pack was good for the Braves. Last pack here. A Triston Casas. Also in the news, I heard Bello was seeking a trade after being sent down to the AAAs there. To Brian Hayes, Roger Clemens, and a Mick Abel. So I'd say definitely probably the pull was this one here. Cam Smith, 97 out of 99. Thanks for watching, guys. Peace.